Yes. Okay. The next warm-up exercise is your walking sprawl. So you are here, you go down, take one leg back, one leg forward, other leg forward and get up. Let's do that 10 counts. Yes, keep it going everyone. 10 counts of walking sprawls. So you will be doing 5 on each leg. So for example, you are here, you go down, first go back from one leg, then the other, bring same leg forward and get up. Do 5 on this leg and 5 on this. Yes. Once you are done, you'll again start jogging. We will be doing the side leg raises together for 20 seconds. Meanwhile, keep jogging if you are done. Yes, keep jogging everyone. Okay, let's start with side leg raises. We do that for 30 seconds. Raise your leg, walk on the side. Just take smaller steps, or you can do it on the spot also. But try taking smaller steps if you have space. Let's do that for 20 more seconds. Toe pointing in front. Yes. Last 5 seconds. Okay, jog on the spot. Alright, we are through with our warm-up. Now, in today's workout, we are going to do HIIT for 15 minutes. Alright, it is body weight HIIT. Only in the wide squats, I would be asking you, some of you, to hold the dumbbells. Okay. So the movements are very simple. We have to do 4 rounds of 5 movements. That is all the workout is in HIIT. Alright, and then we come to strength and conditioning of the glutes. So let's practice the movements which we have to do one by one. The first movement is your mountain climbers. Just watch it. You have to be in the plank stance here, in the palm plank stance, and from here you start your mountain climbers. Shuffle your legs as fast as possible. Make sure you don't go here and do this. You need to stay in the plank throughout. Let's practice 10 on each side right now. Everyone. 10 mountain climbers in the plank pose. Yes, Rajni, try slightly faster. Raki, look straight. Okay, whenever you do this movement, try looking straight. Okay, the next movement is your simple jumping jacks. You will be doing 20 in the workout. Right now, just say, do 5 of these. 5 jumping jacks right now, everyone. Okay. The next movement is your plank jack. And how are we going to do it? Again, be in the palm plank pose. Alright. Now from here, take your legs out. Bring your legs in. Out, in. While you stay in the plank. So just watch it from back. Out, in. Okay. Yes. Make sure your torso doesn't dip too much while you are doing this. Let's do 5 counts. Okay. Alright. The next movement is your high knees. Relax, Sugan. Next movement is high knees. We are going to do high knees on the spot run. Something like this. Alright. Make sure when you raise your knee high, it doesn't turn. Alright. And try to raise it as high. And try that your movement is as fast as possible. Okay. Let's do 5 on each side right now. Start. High knees. 5 on each. Yes. Good. Okay, relax. The last movement is your wide squats. And how are we going to do it? So for this, I would want you to hold dumbbells if you have in your hands. Now the legs are, this is your shoulder leg. The legs are slightly more than the shoulder length apart. The toes are still pointing straight. The toes are not out. The toes are pointing straight. Place the dumbbell right across your shoulder. Chest out, back straight. Push your hips back, go down in a squat, come back up. Push your hips back, go down in a squat and come back up. Let's do 5. Yes. 5 wide squats, everyone, right now. Yes, toes pointing straight. Mukund, slightly bring your legs closer. Slightly closer. Yes, this is a better stance. Deepa, legs slightly closer. They are very much wide. Yes, this is better. Do it. Yes, much better. Okay, relax everyone. Now let's look at the workout. So we will be doing 20 counts of all the 5 movements. I'll keep telling you what movement is after what. Okay. So don't worry that you'll forget the chronology of the movements. Don't worry on that. So you will be doing 20 each leg mountain climbers. Alright. After that 20 jumping jacks. Okay. After that 20 plank jacks. After that 20 each leg high knees. After that 20 wide squats. Alright. That finishes your 1 round. You have to do 4 rounds and the timer is 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the workout will be halted, whether you have finished 4 rounds or not. If you do finish before 15 minutes, then you take additional rest. Alright? Yes? Don't do this workout non-stop, otherwise you will get very tired. Do one movement, rest for 10 to 15 seconds. After one round, rest for at least 30 to 45 seconds. Okay, got it? Let's get ready. The first movement is your mountain climbers, 20 on each side, and we start. Yes. Start, Raki. Start the workout. 20 on each side, mountain climbers. Yes. Very good, Rashi. Good. Yes. Deepa, try bringing your legs closer. Yes. Good, Mukund. Good. After this is jumping jacks, 20. Yes. Jumping jacks, 20. Yes. Good. Yes. After jumping jacks, you have plank jacks. If you're done 20 jumping jacks, rest a while and switch to plank jacks. Yes. Good. After plank jacks, you have high knees. Yes. High knees. Okay, and after high knees, you have your wide squats. Very good, Rashi. Good. Good, Rajni. Good. Excellent. Yes. Yes, Deepa, your legs are moving out too much. Make sure your knees pointing straight. Yes. Sugan, legs slightly wider. This is a normal squat. Yes, legs slightly wider. Now do it. Yes, good. After one round, try resting at least for 30 seconds. Otherwise, you will get very tired by the end of it. You have to do 4 rounds. If you are done one round, you can relax a bit. And once you have caught your breath, you can restart the second round. Yes, carry on.
How many wide squats?
20. So count remains 20 for all the movements. If it has 2 sides, it will be 20 on each side. Time wise, we are at almost 3 minutes. Okay. Mukund and Bharat, you can start with your second round. Mountain climbers, 20 on each side. Yes, very good, Sugandh. Good, Rakhi, good, yes. So we seek inspiration from people. So today Rakhi's inspiration is Sania Nehwal's story, the movie Sanya. So Rakhi, today your name is Sanya. Sanya Arora, okay? Instead of Rakhi Arora. Let's do that. Okay, after mountain climbers, jumping jacks. Very good, Deepa. Faster, faster. Yes. Good. After jumping jacks, you have plank jacks. Good, Rajni, good. After plank jacks, take a breather 10 seconds, then start your high knees. Yes, good. Yes, after high knees, you have your wide squats. Bharat, legs slightly wider. Yes, better, better, good. Good, Rakhi, good. Yes. Very good, Rashi. Carry on, carry on. So after jumping jacks, you have your plank jacks. After plank jacks, you have your high knees. Yes, good. Carry on. And after high knees, you have your wide squats. If you are done 2 rounds, take at least 30 seconds of breather. So ideally, this workout is done that you do the movement very fast. You rest for a short duration of 10 to 15 seconds. Do another movement very fast. Again, rest for 10 to 15 seconds or at the max 20 seconds. And after the set, rest for 30 to 45 seconds. That is very beneficial so that you have energy to go on for the next set. Rajni, faster, faster, faster. Yes, lift up higher. Very good. Good. Time wise, we are at 6 minutes. You must either have done your second round or you are doing your second round. That is the ideal state. Yes, good, Rajni, good. Nice. Sugandh, torso down in the mountain climbers. Yes, good. Engage your core. Very good, Rashi. Bharat, look straight, don't look down. Yes, good. Very nice, Mukund. Good posture coming there. Excellent. Yes, good, Rashi, good. Very nice. Carry on. Deepa, bend down more next time. So first few counts are okay. After that, I think your body starts getting tired. First few are fine. Deepa, rest before you start. Never mind. Carry on. After one round, everyone, you should rest for at least 30 to 45 seconds. And then do the next movement, next round very fast. That should be the goal. Good, Rashi, good, excellent, carry on. Raki, when you come up, don't lock your knees. Keep your knees soft. Yes, when you come back, yes. Knees should always remain soft. Yes, good, Mukund, good. A lot of time is there. You would very easily finish 4 rounds. Yes, we are at 8.5 minutes for your information. So we have 15 minutes for this. So almost 6.5 minutes. Yes, good, Bharat, good. Yes, Deepa, resume. Yes, good, Rashni, good. Very nice, Deepa, very good. Good control over the movement. Yes, very nice, Mukund, carry on. Good, Rakhi, good. Keep looking straight, don't look down. Yes, good, Rajni. Let your body flow freely. Rajni, don't tense your upper body. Let it flow freely. Yes, good. Good, Rakhi, good, excellent. 5 more minutes, everyone. Rashi, if you have done 3 rounds, you can rest. That's for Rashi. But finish your 3 rounds. Rashi, how much have you done? 2 rounds done? 2 done na? Do 1 more. Okay, just do 1 more. Don't do 4 today. Yes, everybody else, 4 rounds. Good, Raki, good. Very good. Carry on. Yes, excellent, Deepa. Done 4, then you can relax. Okay, those of you who are done 4 can relax. Deepa, you can't afford the rest now. 3 minutes. Finish 1 round. Come on, let's do that. Yes, very good, Deepa. Raki, start the last round. Done 4? Very good. Those of you who are done for, I think Bharat is also done, Sugandh is also done. Relax yourself. Yes, relax yourself. We have 2.5 minutes more. You can relax for 2.5 minutes. Meanwhile, others will finish their workout. Yes. You can keep walking, have water, those of you who are done. Yes. 2 more minutes. Yes, Deepa, very good. Carry on. Yes. Deepa, Rajni, high knees, quickly. You don't have much time, 1.5 minutes to finish the entire 2 movements. Let's do that. Yes, good. Good, Rashi, good. Carry on. Breathe out every time you go down in the squat. Good, Deepa, good. Last 1 minute. Deepa, pick up your weights. Quickly, quickly, 20 squats. Yes, let's do that. Last 1 minute. You should be able to finish it. Excellent. Others, keep walking. Don't sit down. Those who are resting should keep walking. Have water. For the next workout, we will be requiring one single dumbbell. So you can keep the other dumbbell back. Rakhi, keep walking, otherwise you will feel dizzy. Keep walking. Keep standing only if you wish to. Alright, don't sit down. No, you are not going anywhere. Alright, 15 minutes are up. Excellent workout done, guys. Pat yourself on your backs. Good. We'll take a breather of additional 30 seconds and then we are going to start with our glutes blast. So today's focus is glutes muscles and we will be, so those are your hip muscles. So we will be doing 4 movements and in these 4 movements we will pick up one movement, do 3 sets and so on. The first movement is glutes bridge. So while you are resting, let's watch what the movement is and how are we supposed to do it. So place your mats. Take one single dumbbell. Now lie down on your mat. Place the dumbbell on your lower abdomen. So this is the place you place your dumbbell. Support it with your hands. Fold your legs. Alright. Now from here, lift your torso as high as possible. And here squeeze your glutes. Support the dumbbell with your hands. Come down. Without touching the floor, again lift up, pause. Go down. Again go up as high as possible. Pause and go down. Alright. Let's do 10 counts in the first set. Start everyone. 10 glutes bridge in the first set. Rashi, don't do it with weights today. Just let the weights go off. Do it without weights. Okay? Yes. Start on your own. 10 counts. Everyone. Yes. Raise your torso as high. Squeeze your glutes. Feel it in your lower back. So that is the area that we are working on. Yes. Very good, Rashi. Good. Yes. Good, Mukund. Good. Very good, Rajni. Sugan, try lifting up slightly higher. Yes, Bharat, we are doing glutes bridge, weighted. So place the weight on your lower abdomen and lift the torso high. 10 counts. Okay, once you are done 10 counts, slightly relax your lower back. You can sit in the child pose if you wish to. Okay, Now let's watch the second round. How are we going to do it? Now in the second round, we are going to try single leg glutes bridge. Weight is optional here. If you feel you are not able to pull your torso high, you drop the weight. Okay, so just watch. So place your weight on your lower abdomen, support it with your hands, fold your legs, raise your torso as high. Now from here, lift one leg up, bring your torso down, up, pause, down, up, pause. And after 10 counts, change your leg. Take the other down, up, pause, down, up, pause. Let's do that. 10 counts on each leg. Start, everyone. Yes, let's do that. Yes. Try to raise your leg as high as possible. Don't push your leg too much, as in don't give any jerk to your any part of your body. The movement should be smooth. On each. Yes. Yes. Good, Deepa. Good. Yes. Yes. Bharat, you need to raise your torso high. Okay. Once you are done, 10 on each. Again, sit in the child pose. Relax your spine. Okay. Now, in the third set, we are going to hold the glutes bridge for 30 seconds. Then we raise one leg up and do 5 counts, and then raise the other leg up. So change the leg and do 5 counts. Alright. So I will count 30 seconds for you. 5 on each leg you will do on your own without resting. Okay. So you stay in the glutes bridge throughout. Alright. Let's get ready. Lie down, everyone. We are about to start the glutes bridge hold. So you need to be up in the torso and hold the movement. In 3, 2, 1, start. Both the legs are down. Only the torso is lifted up. Rakhi, both the legs down. Only the torso is lifted up. You stay in this pose. Stay. 15 seconds done. 15 more to go. After 10 seconds, you will lift up one leg and do 5 counts up and down, okay? 5 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Take one leg up and go down and up from your torso. Mukund, from your torso, not leg up and down. Torso up and down 5 times. Then change your leg. Raise the other leg up and then again torso up and down. 5 times. Okay, once you are done, you relax. All right. Now let's look at the next movement. All right, the next movement is side leg raises. Now I want everybody to pay attention. How are we going to do side leg raises? Okay. You can hold the weight if you want to, but ideally weight is not required. I'll show you with weight also. Okay. First of all, you lie down like this or like this. I'll let you choose. Both are correct. Just let me change my camera angle slightly. Okay. Yes. Now, from here, your body is in one straight line. Your torso is slightly tilted in front. Don't be here. Your torso is slightly tilted in front. And from here, you raise your leg up. Now, you're not raising your leg up straight. You're slightly taking it back and raising it. Watch what I mean from this side. So, I'm lying down here. My body is straight like this. I tilted inside. Okay. Now I raise the leg back and up. Okay, this is my straight leg, this is my front leg. I am raising it back and up, down, back and up. So you have to take it backward. Again, watch it from the front angle. We are here. Raise your leg back and down. Okay, not here. And also the toe is pointing straight. Take it back and down. Yes, let's do that 10 counts on each leg. You need to feel it in your glutes on the side of your hip. This is the muscle that you're working on. Yes, let's do that. Lie down, start. 10 on each. Rashi, slightly intern your torso. Bring it forward. Yes, now do it. Yes, good, good. Rakhi, intern your torso. Your torso is in comfortable position. Your glutes will not be engaged. Yes, now do it. Take it back and up. Yes, good, good. Deepa, very good. You got the movement right. Bharat, take your leg back. You are raising it straight up. Lie down like this. So instead of this is a more comfortable position to lie down. Tilt your torso and raise your leg back. Yes. Raise your leg back. Bharat, you need to take it back. It's not coming right. So I'll show you what do I mean by that. Just watch it. So I'm here. Right now you are raising your leg like this. It is not wrong, but your glutes are not getting engaged here. You need to take your leg back and up. Okay, back and up. Even if it just goes this much, that's fine. Yes. 10 counts and do 2 sets of this. Same movement. If you are done one set, yes, much better Bharat, much better. Do the second set everyone if you are done one set. Yes, very good Deepa. Sugandh, take your leg back. You are again taking it in the center. Take it back, slightly back. Yes, yes. And you don't need to raise it very high because when you take your leg back, the range of motion is automatically less. Rajni, try lying down like this on your elbows. Try lying down like this and then do. Yes, yes, much better, much better. Yes, good. Good Mukund, yours is fine. Okay, if you're done 2 sets, in the third set, try holding a weight. And how? So you lie down, place your dumbbell on the side of your leg and try to raise it. Okay, just place it on the side of your leg, support it with your hands and try to raise your leg like this. Okay, yes. It is optional, absolutely optional. If you feel without the dumbbell also, you are, the movement is too much, you can skip the dumbbell part. It is not mandatory to hold the dumbbell. Yes. Let's keep doing that. 10 counts again. Yes, Rakhi? Yeah, you can hold the ankle weights. That is the best thing to do. If you have ankle weights with you, you can wear the ankle weights. 3 sets, 10 counts each. Yes, once you are done this, you will start walking. Mukund, slightly take the dumbbell down towards the knee. Yes, yes, here, yes, yes. Okay, those of you who are done will get up and start walking if you're done 3 sets. Yes, good Rakhi, good. Yes, very good Rajni, good. Yes, very nice Bharat, you got the movement now. Good. Start walking, those of you who are done. Okay. Let's watch the next movement while you are resting. We will be doing kettlebell swings. Legs are slightly wider, more than the shoulder width. Knees are soft. You go down and swing up. Go down, swing up. Now watch it from the side. Go down, you need to be here. Your knees are bent. Your back is parallel to the floor. Here you take a swing and up. Swing and up. Swing and up. And as you go up, you need to squeeze your glutes. So you need to squeeze your hip muscles as you go up. Alright? Let's do 12 counts in the first set. KB swings, 12 counts in the first set. Yes, very good, Bharat. Nice. Good, Raki, good. Yes, very good. Excellent, Rashi. Carry on, everyone. Everybody is doing it fine. Good. Okay, if you're done one set, relax yourself. Slightly stretch your lower back. So you can stretch your lower back by supporting your lower back and bending backwards. Do it 2 times. The second set will be 15 counts. Deepa, try that you hold the dumbbell like this. Okay? Because this kind of imitates the kettlebell, the way a kettlebell is. The weight is concentrated at the bottom. If you hold your dumbbell like this, your shoulders or arms might be involved. But here, I think the most, it gives you an impression of a kettlebell holding the weight down. Alright, let's get ready. Second set, 15 counts, same movement. Alright, kettlebell swings, 15 counts. Yes. Let's go for it. Yes, very good. Carry on. Yes. Okay. Take a breather. Relax your lower back. Be in the child pose. Be in the cobra pose once. Relax your lower back. The third set is going to be 20 kb swings. Let's do that. Everyone, start whenever you are ready. 20 kettlebell swings. Yes, good. Carry on. If you are done, again stretch your lower back. We are left with one last movement. Okay, let's watch what we are going to do next. We are going to do donkey kicks. So, here we won't be using the dumbbell. Okay, the movement starts with your all fours. So make sure your legs are not away from your body and your legs are not too close. You need to stand in all fours position. Your hands are right beneath your shoulders, your knees are right beneath your hips. And don't extend the hip out or curl it. Your spine should be neutral. Alright, in the neutral position you start the movement. Now watch what the movement is. You bring one leg forward as much as you can, take it up and kick. Again bring it forward, take it up and kick. Bring it forward, take it up and kick. Now while you're doing this, make sure your spine doesn't move like this, okay? You need to keep your body as stable as possible. Bring your leg in front, up and kick. Bring your leg in front, up and kick. Yes, let's do that 10 kicks on two sides, both the sides, yes. Be on all fours. Engage your core muscles. Don't let your spine move too much. Yes. Yes. Good, good. Very good, Rajni. Good. Nice, Deepa, nice. Carry on. Yes. Sugan, don't tilt your body on the side. Your body should be in front. Yes. Good, good. 10 counts on each leg. Once you are done 10 counts, just sit in a cross leg position, relax yourself a bit. Okay, now in the second set, alright, okay, in the second set, you do 10 counts like this, yes, and in the 10th count, you pulse 8 times up, okay, yes, so 10 like this, and in the 10th count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then you change your leg and resume the same movement on the other leg. Let's do that. Start. 10 counts plus 8 pulses. Yes. Rashi, bring your legs slightly forward towards your hands. Your all fours position is, yes, this is better. Now do it. Good, good. Pulse on your own. Make sure your leg is higher as you pulse. Yes. Sit in a cross leg position if you are done this. Third set will be your 12 counts and 10 pulses each. Okay. Same movement, just increasing the number of counts. That is all. 10 counts and 12 counts and 10 pulses. Don't rest too much. Start the third set. Too much rest in this movement is not required. If you're done second set, you take a breather, 15 seconds or so, and start with the third set. Mukund, stabilize your spine. Don't move too much. Yes, good, Rajni, good. Yes, good. If you are done 3 sets, you will start walking. Walk around, have water if you wish to. Relax yourself. Yes, good, Rashi, good.